So very quickly, how to make a recording with Adobe Connect. Since as you connect to the dashboard, you go to the option trainings, and then you go here, new virtual classroom. So you create a name of the class. So quickly, these options are not important. If you just record, you click on finish, then you have this option, enter virtual classroom. You click on open Adobe Connect. So this means you should have installed in advance Adobe Connect application. Once it's open, I go here to the right side, classroom settings, and I will hide all these boxes as I don't need them. Maybe I will start my webcam if I want to, and I will share it. Then I will share, for example, my presentation or my whiteboard. So I upload the file, I browse my computer. Once you loaded your presentation, make sure that your mic is on. It should show here green. Very important, very important here, the connection status should be excellent. If your connection is not good, I suggest that you delay the recording, because otherwise the recording will not be good enough. So if I want to record, just record meeting, and you choose a name for your recording and you press OK. At any time, so now I'm recording, at any time I can pause or stop the recording. So if I want to point, I can use here this one, the pointer. This you have to use it with moderation, so you have to test it if it is really synchronized with the audio. What I use usually is the only the drawing. So here, so whenever I'm at point 1, I just underline it, then I say okay, I'm here, I'm explaining the second part, the third item, etc. At any time you can pause, or if you finish, then you have to stop the recording, and then you can go to meeting and you can end the meeting, and you press OK. Now back to your dashboard. This is from where you access the virtual classroom. So here you go to recordings, and you should see your last recording. This one I just did it. So you go to action and you click make offline. So your presentation will open. You click next. So now in this frame you choose MP4 and you keep it HD, and you just proceed with the online recording, and you don't close then the application until it's finished downloading the recording to your laptop.